Tired of seeing the same old name on your Mac's lock screen? Let's change that and personalize your device in just a few simple steps. First, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen to open the Apple menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select System Settings. This will open up your Mac's settings panel. In the System Settings window, look for Users and Groups in the sidebar and click on it. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Now, on the right-hand side, you will see your user account. Before you can make changes, you'll need to unlock the settings. Click on the padlock icon in the bottom left corner of the window. Enter your administrator password when prompted and click Unlock. This gives you permission to make changes to user settings. Now, right-click on your account name on the left side of the window and select Advanced Options. A new window will pop up with advanced options for your user account. Locate the full name field. This is the name that is displayed on your lock screen. Type in the new name you want to appear on your lock screen in the full name field. Once you've entered your desired name, click the OK button to save the changes. Finally, click the padlock icon again to lock the settings. This prevents any accidental changes. And that's it. The next time you lock your screen, you'll see your newly personalized name displayed, customizing your user experience on your Mac.